Hi everyone. One of the reasons I probably haven't been posting as much as I'd like is that I have a bunch of projects going on. And one of these is this new education group I'm starting here in New York City. I was hoping to add clickable links to this video, but apparently I can't do that anymore, at least not until I have 1,000 subscribers. So I'm afraid if you guys are interested, you're going to have to hand type a bit. I've got this under construction page here at gameartscollective.org. And if you want to join the mailing list, all you have to do is, click the little button here. Also, if you've got any questions before you commit to joining, which is free, you can always post them in the comments on this video and I'll get back to you. Anyway, the whole idea behind this group is to provide a collaborative space where students and industry professionals can come together to learn all the disciplines that go into making a video game. So in addition to networking events, we'll also have classes, workshops, lectures, labs, and these are going to cover the 4 basic disciplines that go into making a game. So that's art, design, development, and business. And there's a lot of things that can be discussed under those umbrellas, but it's basically these 4 tracks. Right now, it's just live in New York as a meetup group, and if that works for you, awesome. You can click on the link that I've posted in the comments, and I look forward to seeing you. I'm also working on a free-to-join online version, and thanks to the IGDA, who's got my back on this, we're going to soon start taping our live classes and then posting them. And the page is also going to have discussion boards, student galleries, and special events for members. And the plan is to grow this into a place for the game making community where, whether it's online or here in New York, a place to share ideas and knowledge. So if you're interested, just go to the splash page and sign up. And again, if you have any questions, just put them in the comments on this video.